Let's break down how to speak English fluently and confidently for new learners. 1. Foundational steps. Start with the basics. Focus on pronunciation. English has many sounds that don't exist in other languages. Pay close attention to vowel sounds, consonant clusters, and intonation, the rise and fall of your voice. Use online resources. Many websites and apps offer pronunciation guides, audio examples, and even speech recognition tools. Find a language exchange partner. Practicing with a native speaker can help you identify and correct pronunciation issues. Build a strong vocabulary. Start with essential words like greetings, numbers, colors, and everyday objects. Gradually expand your vocabulary by learning new words related to your interests. Use flashcards. Create flashcards with words and their definitions or pictures. Review them regularly. Read. Reading exposes you to a wide range of vocabulary and sentence structures. Start with simple texts and gradually increase the difficulty. Master basic grammar. Learn the fundamentals of English grammar, such as sentence structure, verb tenses, and parts of speech. Use grammar textbooks and online resources. There are many resources available to help you learn grammar. Practice with exercises. Do grammar exercises to reinforce your learning. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English. Watch English movies and TV shows. Pay attention to how native speakers use the language, their pronunciation, and their vocabulary. Start with subtitles. Use subtitles in your native language to help you understand the dialogue. Gradually transition to English subtitles and then no subtitles at all. Listen to English music and podcasts. This will help you improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary. Read English books, magazines, and newspapers. Choose materials that are interesting to you and gradually increase the difficulty. Create an English-speaking environment. Label objects around your house in English. This will help you learn and remember new vocabulary. Think in English. Try to think in English as much as possible, even when you're not speaking. Find an English-speaking community. Join an English conversation club or find a language exchange partner. Practice speaking regularly. Find opportunities to speak. Talk to yourself. Practice speaking out loud, even if you're alone. Record yourself speaking. This will help you identify areas for improvement. Find a language partner. Practice speaking with a friend, family member, or language exchange partner. Join a conversation group. This is a great way to meet other English learners and practice speaking in a relaxed setting. Take an English class. A structured learning environment can provide you with valuable speaking practice and feedback. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Don't let fear of making mistakes prevent you from speaking. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Focus on fluency over perfection. Don't worry about making every word perfect. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly and effectively. Strive for smooth and natural-sounding speech. Pay attention to your rhythm and intonation. Build confidence. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals. For example, aim to have a 5-minute conversation with a native speaker. Gradually increase the difficulty of your goals. As you progress, set more challenging goals. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge and reward your progress. This will motivate you to keep learning. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Everyone experiences setbacks on their language learning journey. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently and confidently. This can help you overcome your fears and build your self-belief. Focus on your strengths. Identify your areas of strength and build on them. This will boost your confidence and motivation. 5. Utilize helpful resources. Online resources. There are many websites and apps that can help you learn English. Duolingo, Babbel, Rosetta Stone. These apps offer interactive lessons and gamified learning experiences. YouTube channels. Many YouTube channels offer English lessons, pronunciation guides, and conversation tips. Podcasts. Listen to English podcasts to improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary. Books. There are many books available to help you learn English. Grammar books, vocabulary books, and conversation books. These can provide you with structured learning and practice. English novels and short stories. Reading can help you improve your vocabulary and reading comprehension. Tutors and teachers. A qualified tutor or teacher can provide you with personalized guidance and feedback. They can help you identify your weaknesses and develop effective learning strategies. 6. Consistent effort and patience. Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself and don't give up. Consistent effort is key to success. Make learning English a part of your daily routine. Even 15-20 minutes of practice each day can make a big difference. Find what works best for you. Experiment with different learning methods and find what you enjoy. This will make the learning process more enjoyable and sustainable. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and engaged. Set rewards for yourself. Find a language partner, and join a language learning community. Specific tips for improving fluency. Focus on communication. Don't worry too much about grammar rules. Focus on getting your message across. Use simple sentences and phrases. For example, instead of saying, "I have not seen him for a long time," you could say, "I haven't seen him in a while." Use fillers strategically. Fillers like and can help you buy time to think. Use them sparingly and naturally. Practice shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and try to imitate their pronunciation and intonation as closely as possible. Read aloud. Reading aloud can help you improve your pronunciation and fluency. Record yourself speaking. Listen to your recordings and identify areas for improvement. Tips for building confidence. Start with small conversations. Begin with simple conversations and gradually increase the difficulty. Find a supportive environment. Surround yourself with people who are encouraging and supportive of your language learning journey. Positive self-talk. Tell yourself that you can do it. Believe in your ability to learn and improve. Focus on your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments no matter how small. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Focus on your own progress and don't compare yourself to others. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey. With consistent effort and the right approach, you can achieve fluency and confidence in English.